Have you ever had distance energy healing before?
No. No, in fact, I've never even heard of it.
Was it difficult for you, since you're an engineer, to understand that the distanciation will work?
No, not really, because most living things have electromagnetic fields and electrical energy, and you can actually measure those things. And it's just a lot of things we don't know. But I mean, I think there's probably there's some physical reasons for this. As I'm laying there, I slowly feel like I'm calming down, and it's as if I'm sinking into the bed, and I'm just laying there, and I feel like I'm just gently pressed into the bed, and I'm just getting calmer and calmer. And sometimes I feel sensations. It's similar to when I'm having a session in a room with Carlos. It's sort of like I can feel static electricity, maybe around my arms and my legs. Eventually what happens is I start to feel on my hands and my fingers like the muscles are just gently twitching a little bit, and I feel like the muscles in my legs and my thighs, gentle sensations where like this muscle here would move a little bit, then this one, then here, and then here, and then I'd feel, especially my hands, here, my fingers, I'd feel like basically what would happen is sort of an uncoordinated sensation, then a sensation. And it's very similar to what I feel when I'm having Reiki in a room on a table with Carlos. Is that it's like your muscles are feeling energy or releasing energy, and you're gently twitching. And I was laying there in my home, and my fingers would twitch a little bit, and then this finger would twitch, and then I would feel some muscles here or down here twitch, but it'd be here and then maybe both of them, and then here, and so this would go on, and it's very, very similar to what I would feel in a room with Carlos. The odd thing is that I also felt, and I feel this in the room too, is that I feel that my hands are I'm laying flat like this with my hands flat like this, and the sensation is my hands feel like they're curling, but yet they're perfectly flat because they're not curling. And again, I'm feeling like I'm gently pressed down into the bed and nice and calm, and then all of a sudden it just sort of stops, and I'm assuming this is when Carlos stopped on his on his long distance therapy, because all of a sudden I'm still calm, but I'm like back to normal. I'm laying in bed. And I'm waiting for something else to happen, and nothing happens. And so I lay there for another 10 minutes, and I figured, well, the session ended back then, and that's the sensation. It's very, very interesting.
So you can feel very clear when the session starts and when the session finishes.
Essentially, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's very noticeable.